Who knows what the future holds? We may not be able to see over the horizon, but if you do want to be at uni this coming year, then you can use clearing as the opportunity to start your next chapter. If you don't have any offers, or you need a change of plan, we are here to support you through the process on your journey to the University of Roehampton. From early July, you can contact our clearing hotline on 0300 303 8320 and speak to someone who will help get the ball rolling on your next steps. Or if you don't fancy talking on the phone, complete a form on our website at www.roehampton.ac.uk/clearing. All you need to hand is the course you want to study with us, a list of your grades, and your UCAS ID number if you have one. That's it. Then hopefully we'll be able to offer you a place and, just like that, your future's looking rosy. You can look forward to making our 54-acre Parkland campus your new home and being a short train ride from central London. So if you're a nature lover and culture vulture, you've got the best of both worlds. Get ready to join our Roehampton family. Find your people and make friends for life in our inclusive, close-knit international community. We can't predict what your friendships will look like, but we do know you'll be in a learning environment designed to stimulate, support, and inspire you to build the foundation for a career and a life you love. Create your future at Roehampton.